I mean, I feel like that is totally valid. If you're feeling like that, you're feeling super overwhelmed and you don't want to do any of it. I mean, at the very least, you need like a cleanser and a moisturizer. So, a cleanser and a facial oil. Just find a cleanser and a facial oil that you love and just do that and be super consistent with it. And then if you feel like, oh, I'm feeling pretty good about this, maybe I want to like try and add in this serum or mask or like whatever, then you can kind of build your routine from there. But like which we'll get into, we recommend like a basic 4-step routine, morning and evening, that's cleanse, tone, serum, moisturize. But I always tell people to really just do what works best for your skin and what works best for your lifestyle. And I mean, even I work for a skincare company. I love skincare. I'm an esthetician, but I also have 2 young children and am so busy. Like, I don't do everything every day. Like, a lot of mornings, I'm like, miss my toning mist, put on my eye cream, and that's it because I got to take my kid to school, you know?
Right.
So I think it's fine. Like, you don't always have to do everything every day.